A beautiful day mga ka-CSA. Welcome to the Certified Skin Authority. I'm Doc Tessa, your host, giving you updates on the science of skincare, anti-aging medicine, laser technology, and aesthetic care. In today's episode, let's talk about how to have a natural face line or jawline definition. So what is the non-surgical, non-invasive way to be able to achieve a face contour, a good face line, in a way na wala pong injection or walang invasive techniques? We have the so-called BioLift or HIFU. The question, is it safe or is it effective? What age bracket can we give it? What skin type and what skin condition? And in today's episode, we also have a very special guest, and she has also a concern on how to sustain that natural face line, that good face contour, and a jawline that's well-defined. So ang lahat ng yan, abangan sa pagbabalik ng CSA Certified Skin Authority.
I'm Coral Marquez, and today I'm here to visit Dr. Tessa here at CSA Derm Center. And I have concerns, of course. Syempre, I'm a busy mom, and I also work on TV. And yung sa akin lang, syempre, we want to look great all the time. We want to look fresh all the time and have a more defined face. Syempre, sa TV, di ba, kailangan kahit anong angulo, talagang perfect at well-defined yung face. And of course, my wedding is already near, so I wonder what Dr. Tessa will do to help me have a more defined face.
Welcome back mga ka-CSA! So ating pinag-uusapan ang BioLift or HIFU, the non-surgical technique for facelifting, face contouring, jawline definition. And we have with us Miss Coral Marquez.
Hi Doc! Hello everyone! Thank you!
We're so privileged to have you, Coral.
Thank you also. It's an honor to be here because I've been going to Pampanga recently because ang dami kong connections, and then I met you and I'm so happy I'm here.
Mga ka-CSA, nakikita ko lang po siya sa TV napapanood. Right now, she's with us. Okay, so we were talking about this kind of procedure na non-invasive, non-surgical, that most of us will wanna do just to sustain, to maintain yung tamang shape.
Maintain, enhance the face.
Exactly.
Or yung mga tao na po, ayaw talaga yung surgery.
Exactly.
Diba? Non-invasive, it's safe, diba?
Right. Tsaka syempre, walang downtime.
No downtime.
Diba? Kung busy ang trabaho, no need to rest ng matagal. Kasi pag surgical, imagine, merong cut, may sutures, or pwedeng mag-scar, nag-swell, nag-bruise, then you can go back to your work or to your activities, right? Naku, ayaw ko kasi yung merong hiwa dyan, tapos may tahi, tapos after a week, 2 weeks, tatagalit pa yung suture.
Halata talaga siya pag malaki. Yes. Pag non-invasive, at least this one works.
Exactly. And the beautiful thing with this, before pa mag-develop yung mga signs of aging, ayan na yung nagsasag na yung face. Ayun na, may nakikita ka ng wrinkling. Before pa mangyari yun, i-prevent mo na.
Kagaya ibang mga tao, kailangan ko ba yan? Actually, yes, kasi that's why we want to age gracefully. We want to maintain being youthful by taking care of your skin and making it,
Kasi especially you're in the television.
Yes.
Diba? Importante sa kanila yung may maliit na face.
Opo, that's so right. Kahit na madami pa rin nagsasabi na mataba pa rin ako. In my line of work, ganun po talaga. So talagang, we have to make an effort, a conscious effort to look good, and kahit anong angulo, kasi hindi lang picture to, talagang any angle, iiyak, tatawa, look right, may close-up, dapat any angle, prepared ka for it.
Looking at Karela, she looks so young. And then, ang liit ng face.
Thanks to you.
Pero alam mo nyo, kasi nga, nakikita ko yan yung mga nasa TV, akala mo, they're whiter.
Opo, mga 10 pounds.
In person pala, ang liit, ang petit, diba? Tsaka baby na baby ang face, ang skin baby na baby. Dapat gano'n,
diba? Youthful.
Correct. And we're talking about this kind of treatment. I call it in my clinic BioLift. Or actually, ang generic namin is, it's called High Intensity Focus Ultrasound. It's using a technology ultrasound, yung may sound waves. We use that in OB/GYN, diba? When we do a check
ultrasound.
of the fetus.
Yes.
Ultrasound.
Oh.
So it's very safe.
Okay.
So sound waves lang yon. But it's more of a focused energy into that layer ng ating balat where you want to do skin tightening, lifting, tapos yung contouring.
Usually ba po ba sa face na?
Yan, that's a very good question. Actually, it can be done sa face natin. But sa face, we do it layer by layer. Sometimes we do it also on the forehead. Parang forehead lift, brow lift, eyelid lift. We also do it mid-face. Dito, middle third for cheek lifting. Kasi di ba, nagsasag na din yan as time pass by. So, third part of the face, this one, lower thirds. Yung may mga nagja-jowls na, or yung jawline nila, nagsasag na. So, we also do that. We can also do neck lifting. Okay, neck lifting. We also have ultrasonic focused energy on some body parts also. Meron sa iba, arms, tummy, thighs, sa nagde-develop at sa saddle bags. So, meron din sila actually slimming effect din. Meron din focus ultrasound for slimming treatment. So, we're talking about more of a non-surgical, non-invasive face lifting, face contouring,
tightening,
skin tightening, exactly.
Okay.
So, you get rejuvenated as well. And then yung face line, yung natural face line, jawline definition. So, achieve mo yung kind of shape that you want for your face. Especially with you want to have a slimmer face. Diba? Ngayon kasi yung inverted triangle. We call that triangle of youth. Pero as we age, yung inverted triangle na yon, as we age, nagiging triangle na siya. Everything goes down. Fall na. Nagsasag na. It's because as we age, we lose all the collagen, all the protein fibers for structure of our faces. So we wanted to restore that. The good thing with this treatment, it also helps in the production of your natural collagen. So it's wonderful, it's beautiful. So it's very safe, it's clinically studied, non-invasive.
No downtime.
No
you can even go wherever you want.
Exactly. It can be a lunchtime treatment, in between your job, break time treatment. In the States yan, tawag nila coffee break treatment. Lunchtime treatment. Diba? Ang ganda ng ating procedure. I'm so excited.
I'm excited too.
Yes, mga ka-CSA. So, we'll be showing you the actual procedures sa pagbabalik ng Certified Skin Authority.
Hello, I'm Mark Rojas and I'm back again. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung experience ko as someone living with acne scars. Masasabi ko na I am someone struggling with the stigma when it comes to people with acne scars. Kasi talagang hindi siya talaga magandang tingnan. Sometimes I would look at my friends, tas tinitingnan ko sila. Okay yung mukha nila pero ako ang daming uka-uka. Tas kung babalikan pa yung high school, tsaka yung college, mga first 2 years, talagang ang daming red. Alam mo yung, hindi ko alam if you can relate, pero mahirap kasi yung feeling na madaming red sa mukha mo, may mga nana, yellow, tas papasok ka. Tapos ibubuli ka nila na burog. Nung college ako, marami may chicken pox. Tapos sabi sa akin ng teacher ko, Mr. Rojas, do you have chicken pox? Tapos tumawa yung mga classmates ko. Imagine yung impact. Hindi ko alam kung makaka-relate kayo, pero napahiya talaga ako ng sobra nun. Siyempre college student, walang pera. So wala akong treatment. Tsaka akala ng mami ko, very confident kasi ako. Madami akong nagagawang talent. So, hindi nga ako pinatreat. Tapos yun, pag meron tumutubo na bago, titirisin ko talaga yun. Parang naging hobby ko na magtiris. Hindi ko alam na yung magiging effect niya, lalalim siya. So yun, hanggang nag-accumulate yun. Throughout the years, sobrang dumami. Hindi na ako masyadong nagbe-breakout, pero yung mga marks, nandun na sila. So, ang dami kong tinray, laser, ganun. Though, kahit paano, bumababaw. Pero, malalalim pa din talaga until, nung sinabi nga ni Doc na may bago, yung Restylane Vital. So, sabi ko, try ko. Tapos yun, nagulat ako kasi, bumababaw talaga, tsaka significant yung effect niya. Kumbaga, ito talaga yung, masasabi ko na pinaka-satisfied ako na treatment na ginawa sa akin. Kaya talagang, sa lahat ng mga nabully, kagaya ko, di naman siya gawa-gawa na story talaga talagang bullied talaga. Yung mga nagka-acne scars, maintindihan nila. Pati yung mga nagkaka-flare-outs, mga tagyawat pa ngayon. Talagang masakit talaga yung tatawagin kang burog, gano'n. Tapos titingnan mo sila. Kahit di gwapo yung tao, pag makinis, iba yung effect eh. Pero ikaw, kahit na okay yung itsura mo kung madaming scars, hindi talaga. So, sa lahat ng mga nabully, sa lahat ng mga nahirapan dahil sa acne scars, eto na, meron na tayong innovation. So, kaya nating, may solusyon pala eh. So, huwag mo kayaan na ibuli ka lang ng mga tao. Kasi may solusyon. At ito na siya. Restylane Vital. Sobrang satisfying talaga ng effect. At saka hindi lang ako yung nakapansin eh. Madaming tao yung nakapansin. So, ini-invite ko kayo again na pumunta dito sa CSA Derm Center kay Doc Contessa para, tigil na natin yung bullying. Ito na yung chance nyo. Innovation when it comes to acne scars. Thank you.
We're back mga ka-CSA. We are now on the actual procedure on the biolifting or HIFU therapy or ultrasound therapy. By the way, ang HIFU, it stands for High Intensity Focused Ultrasound. As the name implies, na rin, ultrasonic sound waves. Right? So, may sound waves. So, it's very safe.
Yes.
No? Ang ginagawa ng treatment is to target some energy pulses dun sa inner layer ng skin. Normally yun yung layer na inaabot pag sa surgery. Ang tawag po namin doon mga kasi that's mass layer or parang yung muscle fascia. Pag nag-surgery kasi, yun yung tina-target para magka-skin tightening. Tapos sa loob, magkaroon ng skin contraction. Tapos pagka nagka-contract, naghihila, nagli-lift yung skin, nagli-lift yung sa jawline, nawawala yung pagkasag. Yun, ang ganda ng effect nitong ating procedure. Actually, I have others naman sa upper part ng face, sa forehead. Meron yung iba kasi gusto nila mag-brow lift. Or yung iba naman kasi nagsasag na yung upper eyelid, parang hooded. Exactly. Aangat siya, magli-lift siya. May skin tightening, collagen production, so pati yung wrinkling na target. Yung may mga forehead lines. Yung iba naman yung crow's feet dito. So, nata-target din. Pwede rin kasi kaming mag-shot dito. Sa mid-face naman, yung mga nagsasag, sa mid-cheek sagging, pwede rin kaming mag-flash nitong HIFU ultrasound therapy machine. So, dito, ang target natin kay Karel is the jawline. Face contouring in preparation for her upcoming wedding. So,
December.
Yes, can you tell us, Karel,
Yes.
our televiewers, kamusta ang preparation?
Okay naman. Thank God na tapos na yung preparation, mga suppliers, wedding coordinator, buti naman meron para medyo stress.
Exciting naman yan. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam getting ready. Siyempre, dapat ikaw ang pinakamagandang bride that day. The most beautiful woman that day.
Night and day.
That night. The full day. The 24-hour. Diba? Pero siyempre, hindi lang yung day na yon. Tuloy-tuloy.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Sustained, maintain.
Kagaya nitong the
BioLift or HIFU therapy.
Nakaka-contour kayo, pero hindi na kailangan mag-makeup dahil contoured na talaga ang face. As in, walang brown.
In terms of the effect of this Karel, kailan ba naglalas? Actually, this one kasi, nagtitake effect pa siya 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Nakikita mo pa yung improvement. Nagkakaroon pa rin ng skin tightening, skin lifting. Tapos yung iba pa, may a-add lang po ako. I have some patients yung concern nila parang double chin. So, ito rin yung magandang treatment para dun sa reduction ng double chin or mawala natin yung double chin.
Kasi minsan, yung family ko, dad's side, kahit payat kami, sa genes namin mayroon.
Okay, that's why. So, prevention din to. Kasi for now, with Karel, wala po naman siya. O, diba? Contoured pa rin. May shape. Batang-bata ang mukha. So this is an easy technique, easy procedure. Actually po mga ka-CSA, before we do this, we apply muna a numbing cream po. Meron pang pamanhid sa skin para hindi maramdaman ni Karel yung treatment, yung mga energy pulses na nagpe-penetrate sa inner layer of the skin. So meron kasi siyang mga pulses na talagang nagta-target. Imagine machine. Walang karayo, walang injection, o non-surgical facelifting, face contouring. Iba kasi, hindi ba po takot talaga sa injection?
Sa needle.
Yes. Correct. Yes. The other technique or method that we do for face contouring, meron na kaming previous episode, it was using the injection of Botox dito sa masseter. Dito sa masseter po. Other people po kasi have bulging masseter, yung tinatawag na chewing muscle. Nakakanguya. Pero iba genetics talagang bulgy ang muscle or muscular hypertrophy ang tawag doon. Ayan, meron tayong natututunan mga ka-CSA, muscle hypertrophy. So this is like, ito po yung handle ng aking machine and we have yung sa screen po niya, meron kaming certain energy gaano kalakas na pulses po ang pwede nating i-emit. So I start on the jawline lang. So my dearest Karel will be applying also a gel here. Malamig-lamig na gel. So, makakatulong po yung gel natin para mag-penetrate lalo yung ating energy pulses. So, ang sarap ng treatment na to, para kasi siyang ang sensation, pero di ba alam mo yung mga nagpapa-reflexology or yung isa yung parang acupuncture, di ba meron din silang mga therapy for that or relieving effect. So, we have this gel, okay, the HIFU gel. It's a clear gel. And then on top of that po, we just press on this. So, simple technique lang po. Ayan. Our beautiful Karel is relaxed. So, busy na siya for her wedding. So, we want her to be at her best during that day. So, ito po ang kanyang treatment na lalong magpapa-enhance, magpapalabas nung normal, natural face line. O, di ba, prevention din? Yes. So, genetically speaking pala, meron kayong predisposition for that so-called convulsioning. So, I can just apply additional gel po. So, can you tell our ka-CSA what is your sensation?
Buti may numbing, no? Parang you can feel na parang
tiny pricking.
Pero parang naramdaman mo lang yung pressure, pero hindi yung parang pain na.
Parang pressure.
Alam mo lang na nandun.
Right? It's just pressure. It's not really that uncomfortable.
Ang tapping effect.
Tapping. The others are describing the sensation as parang tapik ng rubber band.
Yes.
Parang tapik ng rubber band. Pero kasi I also do this on myself, Karela. Siyempre, I wanted to restore din naman yung V-shape, yung inverted triangle of it. Okay. So we may do like several shots on one side. So we'll be doing the left side ni Karel.
Yes.
Some of my patients in one treatment, we can give 100 shots, several shots. So pwede sa forehead, sa cheek, sa jawline, neck lifting, pwede rin po siya. Ayan mga ka-CSA, napakadali lang po ng procedure. Wala po itong downtime. Well tolerated.
Yes.
And no serious adverse events po in doing this kind of procedure. It's very safe. It's very FDA approved. Ayan mga ka-CSA. So we'll be continuing ang treatment ni Karel. And after this po, we'll share more information about the HIFU therapy or BioLift sa pagbabalik ng CSA Certified Skin Authority. And we're back mga ka-CSA. So, still with us, Miss Karel.
Hi!
So, Karel, so again, what was the sensation? While we're doing yung other side mo, share natin sa
side
atin.
na po, no?
Yes
So,
po.
parang yung effect niya, parang naramdaman mo yung pressure.
Yeah, parang
Pero hindi siya yung masakit, tolerable kasi nga may pain. Pero
Exactly.
parang feel ko na nagpa-tighten siya.
Yun.
Deep.
I know.
Dami ko siya hanggang
Right.
loob eh.
Yes, mga ka-CSA actually, during the procedure and immediately after the procedure, nasi-sense na talaga yung tightening ng
Kahit ako,
skin.
ramdam ko
Yes.
na alam mo yung minsan.
Yeah.
Talaga ako. So,
It's really penetrating the inner layer of the skin. Kasi ang ating skin, merong epidermis,
Yes.
dermis, subcutaneous or subdermal layer.
Yes.
Tapos beneath that, nandoon yung SMAS or yung muscle fascia.
yes.
So, pumapasok po siya doon, mga ka-CSA. So, no need na to go through a surgery, lalo na po yung mga ayaw ng mga hiwa-hiwa dyan.
Kagaya po kanina, parang right after this session sa right side,
Yes.
ramdam ko na talaga na
Tighten. Exactly. So, tamang-tama yan pagdating ng kasal
Wow,
natin.
fresh na fresh.
Fresh, rejuvenated, younger you.
yes, well-defined.
Right. Ito again, mga ka-CSA, the so-called the BioLift or HIFU therapy.
Yes.
Diyan po, naka-itemize ano po yung mga benefits. So, it has a deep penetration of the high-intensity focused ultrasound for facial lifting, facial contouring, skin tightening, restoring your natural face line, even without Botox or without filler injections. Kasi si Karel, so getting ready for sa kanyang wedding, imagine niyo naman po, ilang weeks na lang or months. Diba? So, of course, we can't afford anymore na merong invasive techniques.
Yes.
Kasi may bruising, diba? Or hematoma,
Tagaling down.
swelling, yan. So, this is the best kind of treatment. Sa inyo po na nagbabalak na magpakasal, getting married, right?
Ito po ay the best.
Yes, especially sa magiging mga brides dyan. Diba? Treat nyo na po sa sarili ninyo. And of course, give mo sa iyong magiging husband.
Pagkita sobrang nice ng skin,
Yes.
very tight and fresh,
Diba?
plus well-defined talaga yung area na gusto mo edit.
Yes. I also have other patients. Yung concern kasi nila,
Yes.
puffy, chubby cheeks. So, ito rin yung isang way to slim it down
Mm.
para matanggal yung puffiness, para matanggal yung sobrang pagkabilog.
Yes,
Diba?
magka-shape.
Correct. Magka-shape. Tapos, I like it because it has collagen production. Collagen synthesis. With Karel kasi, maganda na yung shape nung dito niya. Okay, well-defined, well-contoured. Yung sa may below ng chin, wala pa naman yung sinasabing double chin. So, prevention na natin.
Yes.
Although for other patients ko na they have time, for example, pwede kaming gumawa ng mga invasive technique. The others, Karel, I inject Botox here. The others naman, we make use of a V-lip threads.
So, marami po akong kilala na mga colleagues, celebrities na effective talaga yung ginagawa nila. Yung
Right.
like you said, combination.
Combination treatment.
Yes.
Yan po.
Like
Kasi-
one, sobrang effective.
Yes, we can really see results.
Yes.
And actually, wala kang mga naging suture marks or incision marks. Diba?
Machine lang.
Machine lang po. And of course, our kasi, iba kasi they ask me how much. It's very affordable po.
Yes.
Reasonable naman po ang presyo. Doon sa mga gusto pong mag-inquire, you may email me at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com. Meron din tayong contact numbers. We have my number po, 0939-393-9643. Our clinic number, 0925-704-9908 or landline, 045-331-1117. Ang clinic namin na pinupuntahan pa ni Karel from Manila. We're actually located here, second floor ng Pure Gold Dau Building, Dau MacArthur Highway, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Madali lamang po makita.
Yes.
Pure Gold ang landmark. Nag-iisang Pure Gold dito sa Dau. And yung iba kasi, they follow me sa Instagram, doc_contessa. Meron kaming Twitter, CSA Dermcentre. Meron kaming website, www.csadermcentre.org. At saka FB. Yung aming FB page, CSA Dermcentre, or my own name, Contessa Salvador Alapag. I'm an Alapag, by the way, di ba? My husband, kasi niya si Jimmy Alapag. O, di ba? LJ Moreno, the wife of Jimmy. Na-meet ko na siya, right? O, yan. Siyempre po sila magkakakilala mga magagandang mga celebrities kasi itong mga batang to. Imagine niyo po, she looks so young. And she's just like a baby. When she told me about her age, I don't even believe her. Talagang genetically speaking, maganda talaga. So what we're just doing is enhancing
and
maintaining po. Kasi for some people, they just wanted to, natural look, fresh,
Saka mas okay na yung i-maintain. Kasi sa'yo matanda ka na, tapos talagang, diba, daming gagawin.
Opo. Exactly, prevention eh.
Yes.
You know what? Aging starts at the 20s na ngayon. By 25, nag-i-start ng nag-i-age ang individual. So, at that time po, you can start some mga non-invasive procedures po. But of course, our CSA, our televiewers, you have to consult naman po certified aesthetic physicians, aesthetic cosmetic dermatologists po. Just don't go anywhere po ng mga non-doctors po. You can actually, I have emails, my clients, or yung aming mga televiewers po, they send me an email, then I also, if I have the time, I can answer them po, diba? Meron ka pang mga mensahe sa ating mga televiewers. Right.
To all the televiewers, and of course, mga brides-to-be like me, who, want to look their best on their wedding day, but at the same time, can't afford to have surgeries or yung mga invasive na nakaka-cause ng swelling or downtime. So, non-invasive treatments, just like this BioLift is perfect treatment for example, for your face, para mas define yung face nyo. Hindi na kailangan mag-improve. Plus, your skin is going to be more supple and talagang tight na tight.
Correct.
Younger look.
Yeah. Okay po mga kasese, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik sa Certified Skin Authority Show. Ang aming airing is always Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays po. So, hopefully mga kasese, lagi nyo pong inaabangan tong aming mga episodes. We always would want to update you what is the latest in the aesthetic dermatology po. Mga skincare, anti-aging medicine, pangangalaga ng ating balat, and of course, yung pangangatawan, yung kabuuan na rin po. It's very important talaga to sustain, to maintain. Kasi lalo na ikaw,
not just sa face,
yes,
sa body din,
body
diba?
Also, we do body treatments
sa
as
skin,
well.
sa
Exactly
diba?
Correct. Ayan, aking pong nais na pasalamatan ng aming mga sponsors. I would like to thank Skin Medicine Incorporated and also Restylane Philippines, Galderma Philippines, Menarini Philippines. And I would like to thank Mr. Bot for my hair and makeup. And thank you sa aking CSA family. And meron kong gustong pasalamatan, Miss Karel.
Thank you, Doc.
Yes, you're welcome.
Pasalamatan po.
Advance congratulations.
Thank you,
I'm so happy for you. Yes, best wishes, and you deserve happiness all throughout.
Dahil sa'yo, magiging fresh ang face ko.
Yes. Okay, that's our goal. God bless you. Ayan mga kasiyase, of course, maraming salamat sa inyo na aming mga tagapagtangkilik o manonood sa inyong palagi pong pagsubaybay ng aming mga episodes. And again, I'm Dr. Contessa. Thank you, Ms. Karel Marquez, our special guest for today. So when it comes to your skincare, you can trust the CSA Certified Skin Authority.